Hi, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to get rid of extra spaces in a cell at the beginning and end. So in this cell it comes out of the ERP with extra spaces at the beginning, here, here, and here, and I want to get rid of those. So to do that I'll use the trim function, and I'll go equals trim, parentheses, reference that cell, close the parentheses, and hit enter, and it's gotten rid of all the extra spaces at the beginning and the end of each of those cells. So I can copy this down, and then I have all these item numbers rather than having extra spaces in between them. So that's how you get rid of extra spaces at the beginning of and end of a cell, and thank you for watching.